Hello, grade 3. Today we will continue our talking about the respiratory system, which is responsible of breathing or respiration. Breathing or respiration. As we said before, breathing includes two processes. Do you remember them? Yes. The first one is called inhalation, inhalation, and the second one is called exhalation. Exhalation. Do you remember what is the difference between inhalation and exhalation? Yes, exactly. We said that inhalation means when we take air which contains oxygen by our nose, and exhalation means when we get out air which contains carbon dioxide and water vapor by our mouth. Again, inhalation, we take oxygen by our nose. Exhalation, we get out carbon dioxide and water vapor by our mouth, exactly like this photo. Here in inhalation, she takes the oxygen by her nose, and here in exhalation, she gets out carbon dioxide and water vapor by her mouth. And now let's talk about very important muscle in our body. This muscle is called diaphragm. 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 And the G letter here is silent. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is so important in our body. Why? What is the job of diaphragm? Diaphragm helps us in breathing or respiration process. How? Here in this photo, we have the inhalation process and exhalation process. Here in inhalation, when we take oxygen, and here in exhalation, when we get out carbon dioxide and water vapor. Again, what is the job of diaphragm? In inhalation, the diaphragm moves down, moves down. Here, this is the diaphragm. The diaphragm moves down to increase the size of this part. Can you see this part? This part is called chest cavity. Chest cavity. When the diaphragm moves down, it increases the chest cavity to let the two lungs take a large amount of air. Okay? But here in exhalation, the diaphragm moves up. The diaphragm moves up, and the chest cavity gets back small again. So again, in inhalation, the diaphragm moves down to increase the chest cavity, and in exhalation, the diaphragm moves up and the chest cavity gets small again. And thank you so much for watching, and see you inshallah. Bye.